Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are making yeast donuts. This recipe is perfect for a quick weekend treat and it's always sure to satisfy those sweet tooth cravings. So guys, let's get started. Let's get right into the ingredients. You are going to need all-purpose flour, instant yeast, sugar. You're also going to need salt, 1 egg, milk powder, butter, and warm water. In a large bowl, combine flour, sugar, instant yeast, salt, mix well, and set aside. Next, stir in milk powder in warm water. Whisk the egg and add it to the flour mixture along with the milk. Then use the spatula to moisten the flour until it forms a dough. Turn out the dough onto a floured surface and knead for 4 minutes before adding butter. Add softened butter and continue to knead for about 3 to 4 minutes until you have soft, shiny, tacky dough. Continue to knead the dough until it's no longer sticky. Then form it into a ball and place it in a greased bowl. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and let it rise for 45 minutes in a warm place. Turn out the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and gently roll out to half-inch thickness. Cut with floured donut cutter and place on a parchment paper. Cover with a plastic wrap and let it rise for 20 minutes. Heat some vegetable oil, about 2 cups, on a medium-low heat. Then fry the donuts until they are slightly brown. Do not overcrowd them. Also, do not let them fry too quickly, as they will be brown on the outside and may not cook well on the inside. So if that happens, adjust the heat accordingly. Once cooked, remove from oil and place on a cooling rack. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough. This donut, you can finish them as you like. Today I will go with the vanilla glaze route, but you can also cover them with chocolate icing, cinnamon, sugar, whatever you like, guys. So let's move on to work on the glaze. Here in the bowl I have melted butter. I'm gonna mix in the sifted icing sugar. I'll also add in vanilla extract together with the milk. Then I'm gonna mix well until smooth. If you want a thinner glaze, you can add more milk. This vanilla glaze recipe is straightforward and easy. Dip one side of the donut in the glaze, then add some sprinkles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your friends and your family. Give it a like and leave a comment down below. By doing so, it helps this channel to grow, guys. There you have it, guys. Perfect yeast donut with vanilla glaze. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.